It's such an exciting project, and to see it built in the way that we wanted it to be is just fantastic. I think Sydney is the most fantastic city, and I love it. I love it because of the waterfront and the kind of arrangement of buildings around the waterfront. Well, the site is pretty amazing, really. I've never seen a better site. One has a responsibility as an architect when you get a site like this to make something special out of it, because otherwise it would be a terrible waste. I thought the site should have a sculptural form on it so that it would be like an inhabited sculpture. I'm very interested in innovation and technology and art, actually, so they do combine in this building. The innovation is something that some people are frightened of, but I revel in it. I just think that it's just wonderful, sort of developing new ideas and using the latest technology. Well, the twist is unusual, and it's only really been possible to do that in the last sort of 5 to 10 years, I would say. It's very much a sort of 21st century kind of living style with big flowing open spaces that flow from one to the other. You've got panoramic views with floor-to-ceiling glazing in most of the areas. You've got a very interesting form. The shape of the apartments is pretty incredible. And this kind of technology that's holding it all together. It's incredible. It's almost impossible to describe the feeling that you have. I'd certainly like to live there. I think it's pretty special.